we are looking at the inside of the front of the sternum. You see that it's looking at the front. We're looking in here like this. Is that clear? We would be like disconnecting and bringing the sternum forward here. And we're looking at it. We're looking at the back of the front. You see there the transverse thoracic muscle. So there's this diagonal muscle on the inside of the front of the sternum. And then the thoracic diaphragm and the transverse abdominal muscles, they interdigitate. It's like a woven basket. So they're congregating. This transverse thoracus is going toward the xiphoid, but you're on the inside. So now if you want to go back, feel these muscles here. And if you want to go forward, feel them here. So when people say open the chest, in some ways you could go like that. Push forward from your pulmonary arteries, or you can open the transverse thoracus. And it gives a lot of ability to rise. So if you wanted to do something and you wanted to rise, Play with that for a minute. You don't have so much room. Leave your books because we're going to leave them soon enough, but we still need them. So let's say you were doing something and you wanted to be down with the, you just want to be down. I can't think of all the words, all the things we've been doing. And then you want to rise out of that. You have this diagonal here, but then you have this whole support. And you could, what is it, the dying swan? That you're lifted, but you are still falling. So again, come down so that you feel that you can come down. And then rise. Yes. And your back is not crushing. Your central channel is open. And we can really take in the universe. And we can take in the earth and ourselves. And it's emotional. Let it go through your elbows as well. We're moving in toward the arms. We haven't quite gotten all of it, but we're moving into this. We've moved into the horizontal. We're now above the earth, but we have to ground through ourselves, through the root of the tree. Now we're into the limbs of the tree. We can take in the carbon dioxide of the tree versus the water of the roots and the mycelium and all of the other stuff that's going on below the earth.